Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am your host Iman Fatma. You are watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today discuss about how to find an IBN number. But before starting the video, I request that if you like my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. Press bell icon for more amazing and interesting videos. So guys, now we start our video. IBN, the international bank account number, and international numbering system used to identify an overseas bank account. The code allows international identification and is unique to an individual bank account. The system aims to simplify and improve interbank communication, and it is a globally recognized standard but not applicable in all cases. Learn what an IBN is, where to find it, and when it is necessary to use. What is an IBN number? European Bank introduced IBN to simplify international transaction by standardizing for region account identification. However, they can also be used for domestic transfer. The number consists of a two-letter country code, to check digits, and up to 35 alphanumeric characters. These cover the country, the bank, and the individual account. The idea is to reduce error by improving the verification system, as the code ensures that the transfer details are correct while identifying the correct account. This way, the IBN standard aims to minimize the cost and delay associated with fixing rejected payment. Have a globally recognized system. Major economies, including the US and China, don't use IBN for domestic transfer and would only do so when sending a transfer to a country that use it. What does an IBN number look like? Here the anatomy and some example of an IBN code. To check digit BB are calculated based on a scheme called ISO 3166/1, a standard helping to define code for the names of countries and territories. The remaining characters are referred to as BBAN, basic bank account number. BBAN involving the last three and has a fixed length of for each country, and it identifies an individual account and financial instruction along with the country, namely CCEC refer to the bank code and identify the bank. D identify the bank branch. Refer to the account number, which can be a digit of fever. Which country used the IBN number? IBN was developed to be used across the Eurozone region, but it is now a standard adopted by over 70 countries in and outside of the area, including Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Qatar, Germany, and Bosnia, and most of these countries use IBNs to verify and facilitate both domestic and international transfer and earning. IBN information is required to send money to beneficiaries located there. Major countries, including the USA, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand, and emerging markets like India and Mexico, have not integrated it into their system in those cases, and also in the case of developing nations like Nigeria. Bank generally generate IBN code for international transfer that require an IBN code. IBNs sometimes, like in the case of Nigeria, link of region currency account only for receive payment rather than a local currency. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.